Okay, then you can just drag this and then increase it. Okay, or you can just use this button here and then increase it up to here. Okay, yeah, now this place looks quite small. Okay, all right. So for the purpose of this class, I'm not going to go deep into all these things, but you can adjust this thing continually, just like you saw me was doing on my profile. Okay, and then until you find a profile that is suitable for you. Okay, like here now I have some cuts here, I'll be having some fill here, then I'll be having some just like that. You can just keep adjusting this until you get what you want. So for the purpose of the class, let me just stop here editing the thing here. Okay, so let me close this. So I'm done with this road 1. Let's go to road 2. So the same thing, you click on this and then you create surface profile. Okay, then you just add the surface and then draw in profile view. When you draw in profile view, you go to leave everything by default here, just like the previous time, then create profile view. All right, so once you've done that, you can now just click it, find it somewhere here. Okay, this is the existing ground profile for the road 2. So we go to design the road. So profile creation tools, we select it. Okay, and then populate everything here. Let's give it a name, road 2 design profile. Okay, then we use our criteria based design. Again, we have to import it. Okay, let's go to where I've saved it, then open it up. Okay, so then I press OK. Again, if I see this profile now, after studying this profile, I find out that I can just have a straight up from here up to here and then down to here. So let me click that. From here I have here and then down to here. Enter. That's all. Okay. Oh, I do not use tangent with curve, but no worries, you can always add the curve by just coming down here and then find free vertical curve. You can just do that. You click this alignment, click alignment, and then specify the radius. Let's say 1000. Enter. Great, so it has given us a curve, but still I don't like the 1000 is not enough for me. I can just drag up to here, and then like previously I told you, you can just adjust it to wherever however suits you best, but the code will be showing you whenever it is below standard. Okay, whenever it's below standard. All right, so that is it. That's how you create your design profile. All right, so let's move on. All right, so once you are done with everything, you just close this. The next thing we are doing is to create our intersection. Now let me quickly show you something on the profile. You remember that you realize that these two roads are intersecting, right? They are intersecting, they are not independent of one another. So we designed these ones separately, but that does not mean that how are you sure that the level here is the same as the level where this road is intersecting? Okay, let's look at it. These roads are intersecting at about chainage 3 plus 420 on road 1. Road 2 is intersecting road 1 at chainage 3 420. So let's find that where it is. 3 420. Okay, 3 420. You can see. All right, you don't have to do it manually and be checking it. There's a way you can bring in that road 2 profile here and see how it is looking. So let's just do that. If you click on this grid anywhere, you'll find somewhere up here that shows you superimpose profile. Then go to road 2 and then click the design profile, okay, and then come back to this place and then click the anywhere on the grid. It opens up this ribbon and allows you to select whatever you want to select here. I won't go through all these things, but I just want, if you just want to have only some sections shown, but I want everything shown, so let me just press apply, okay, and press OK. So now you can see how road 2 is on road 1, okay. Obviously the levels are different. See where this one is intersecting. So these two levels have to be married. These two blue lines, this is where the starting point is. So this one has to marry with this. But how do I do that? I cannot just drag it. I have to create an intersection. So watch this closely. As you have seen this, by the time I create an intersection, these two will join. This one has to go down. Since this one is the one intersecting, it has to go down to meet this road. And so if I want to adjust it up back, I have to adjust road 1 up, and then road 2 automatically follows. Right. So let me go and create an intersection. So I find intersection here on the home tab, and then click on intersection, create intersection. So I find where it is intersecting and then click. Remember, this is one of the special features of this design, okay, because it's not quite an easy thing. Not everyone covers it. I'm taking my time to do this because I love you all and I want everyone to be proficient in what you're doing. All right, so here I'll just create an intersection. I don't need to create all these offset parameters. I will not go through all the reason why, but just follow me, okay, and then automatically all these things are unchecked. So I just want to create an intersection. So I can name the intersection. Civil 2D is just giving me a template whereby it will just name it intersection 1, and then if I'm creating another intersection, it will name it intersection 2. Okay, so if I want to add a description, I can add it here. If I want to select a marker style, but I'm going to leave it at default here. So you can always create any of your default views if you want, but basically leave everything by default. And here, this road is an intersection whereby the primary road, which is the main road that is traveled at 100 km/h, is crowned, okay, while the other one will just be joining it without being crowned at that intersection, okay. But if both of them were roads that are driven at 100 km/h together, I would select this option. All roads will be crowned, so it will be crowned at the center. So but for now, since the primary road is at a higher speed, I'm going to select this one. So let me create an intersection. So once I create this intersection, watch what happens. Okay, automatically it names it for me.